Okay, so this is a demonstration video of the new all-in-one charging station from FoneFunShop. This is for the Oculus Quest 2 and it's designed to wirelessly charge the two controllers and the headset. Now we know that it doesn't support wireless charging, but this kit comes with everything you need to make it happen. So first of all, the main unit is here, and on the back is the connector for a Type-C cable. Now you will need to use your existing plug, or at least a 2 amp wall plug. It doesn't come supplied with one. It does come with the cable, but for this demonstration I'm using a long cable which I'll plug in now. Once it's plugged in, you've got 3 LED lights which will all show green because nothing's connected at the moment. So I'm just going to put that aside and I'll show you how we adapt your existing Quest 2 VR headset and controllers to use this charging station. So in the package you will get 2 rechargeable batteries, but these are quite different. They've actually got USB Type-C ports on them. And what you need to do is replace your existing batteries with these new ones. So this is the controller. I'll take out the existing battery, put in the Type-C battery. It's important to have the Type-C port facing outwards, and you'll also get a new cover for your controller which has got a hole, so you can fit that, and you can see the Type-C port through the hole. In the package you'll also get like a SIM ejector pin, and we use that just to rotate the battery slightly so it's central in the hole, like so. You'll also get in the package 4 of these adapters. Get one of these adapters and carefully line it up with the port on the battery and connect it in, and that's ready to use. So that's one. I'll quickly do the other one. That's the second one done. And then finally you have the headset, which is a little bit simpler. It's again another one of the adapters that goes into your existing charging port, like so. So now we've got the headset and the 2 controllers ready. Now it's time to connect them to the charging station. You'll notice in the charging station you've got little connectors. One for the controller there and one for the headset. And as I connect them, the colours should change on the LEDs. The wrong way around anyway. There we go. Right, the right way around. So that one's now gone yellow, so that means it's charging. That one's gone yellow, so that both of the controllers are charging. And then finally the headset. Now I tend to find it won't, because I've got an Elite headset, it will work with it on, but it is a bit bulkier than the standard one that it comes with. So if you sit that in, there we go, all 3 are now charging, and you'll also notice the light on your headset comes on to say it's charging as well. Now all those 3 lights will change to green once it's fully charged. and if you remove any, they'll change to green as well. I do notice when you remove the headset, sometimes it takes about 8 seconds for it to detect that it's been detached, or so it says in the manual. I think this is fully charged because I have been playing earlier before I made this video. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.